Hello, everyone. The scene on the streets today is chaotic. Traffic was heavy, amid the storm of fire and smoke. Look at the sidewalk. There is a small, pitiful image. It was a poor cat, struggling with its crippled legs. He could only wander around painfully, waiting for a miracle, a helping hand. No one pays attention to the suffering of a small creature. The cat is not only dealing with physical pain, but also with abandonment. Seeing the little cat in pain, the man decided to help. He picked up the cat and brought it home. These are actions that clearly demonstrate his kindness and patience. He carefully washed the cat's feet. His every move shows care and concern. He looked like a doctor. His hands were as gentle as possible to avoid hurting the cat. The most precious thing is that now, the cat is no longer alone. Day by day, thanks to attentive care, the cat gradually recovered. Although his legs are still a little weak, he doesn't have to suffer as much as before. Now he has a new house. He looks very happy here. Sumptuous meals, no more dust around, and a new life has begun. A helping hand changed a cat's life. Now I just want to be around the kind man who saved my life and took care of me.
When the man went out into the garden to find his newly hatched chicks. What a heartbreaking sight. He couldn't believe his eyes. The mother hen, who was healthy yesterday, now lies dead next to her little chicks. The first thing to do is to find an empty space to bury the mother hen, to respect and honor her sacrifice. He dug a hole and he and his beloved dogs buried the mother hen properly. After burying the mother hen, the man did not let the chicks go without food. He carefully placed the chicks in his basin, preparing them for a future. He made a nice cage for them to live in, providing them with plenty of water and food. Every day that passed, he took care of them like his own children. The man did everything he could to make sure the chicks got off to a good start. 20 days have passed in a flash, and now the chicks have grown up. They have grown strong and confident, strong enough to go out and find food for themselves.
The car slowly approached, and the woman began to sense something was wrong. It seemed she saw the little dog scurrying around that area. Too worried and scared, the dog crashed into a nearby garbage truck to hide. The woman approached with the intention of helping. She bent down and brought the dog some food. Hope this makes you feel more secure. However, the dog still appeared scared and refused to get out of the garbage truck. Finally, she decided to crawl inside to gently carry the dog out. At this point, she noticed that the dog's belly seemed to be swollen, which made her even more worried. Then she used her yellow scarf to wrap around the puppy to keep it warm and protected. She quickly took the dog to the nearest medical facility for examination and treatment. Here the doctors examined him thoroughly, and fortunately all was well. The dog's stomach also showed no signs of abnormalities, making her feel more secure. When she got home, the woman carefully cleaned and dried the dog. The dog gradually calmed down. This scene was so lovely and warm. She prepared a delicious dinner so that the dog could be healthier. This scene is so lovely and warm, showing the woman's love and devoted care for this little creature.